Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to use the basic tools of CorelDRAW, and in this tutorial we are going to see how we can use move tool. So first open CorelDRAW and then just go to file, click new and name it whatever you want. I'm giving name as a sample, and here is our interface. This is landscape, so I am choosing landscape. This is portrait, this is landscape. You can choose your orientation, and this is all page that gives you information or sizes about all pages, and this is about the current page. This is current page. So here's the interface, and for get the information about pick tool, we have to just get the shapes like rectangle and the circle. Okay, that's pretty much shapes, and this is the use of pick tool. I am picking the rectangle onto the circle and circle onto the rectangle. Means I can move any shape with this move tool. Okay, as like this, and we can move them together as like this, and you can move anything with move tool like lines. We cannot move nodes. It can be moved by shape tool, and then comes freehand pick tool that is having similar function. Like this, we are selecting that two shapes, that is rectangle and circle. Again, that is the freehand pick tool, no more difference. And this is free transform tool, that is we have to select the one shape, and that is the free angle reflection, that is used for mirroring the object. Like this, we can mirror the object, and then comes free scale. We can scale it. Okay, as you can see, we can scale it the object like this, scale it and drag it to the wanted position. And then comes free skew. It is used for skewing the axis. It got irregular shape because of this is called skewing. As you can see, this shape got irregular dimensions. As you can see, I am doing it. I'm moving it with the help of pick tool, that is the use of pick tool. Okay, as you can see, that's the use of free skew tool, and I'm going to free transform circle with it. As you can see, I can edit it with any angle. As you can see, these angles are really changing, and here the move tool is completed. Thank you guys. Bye bye.